Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies as well as some patchy fog across the region this morning. Seeing that fog continue to dissipate across the area as we move into the late morning hours, and we'll see a period of just some cloudy skies this afternoon before looks like some more fog should build in during the early overnight hours. As far as our precipitation chances go today, we'll see a slight chance to a very slight chance of a sprinkle moving the region this morning into the afternoon hours, but most likely won't see any precipitation in the region, as only seeing about a 20-30% chance of that shower moving in this morning. If we do see that move in this morning or this afternoon, not going to see much total precipitation with that, only a few hundredths of an inch possible. As far as our temperatures go today, we'll see above normal temperatures in the mid-50s and continue with that above normal temperature regime through at least tomorrow into Friday. And through Friday, As we look at our upper level sounding from this morning, our freezing level is at 7,900 feet. Winds out of the southeast and low levels and light throughout the column this morning, seeing the upper level ridge overhead and seeing our peak wind out of the west, 20,000 feet, 18 knots. Our current surface analysis, we have a weak warm front just off to our west. It's continuing to give areas to our west some showers this morning. That'll continue to move through the region today, and we'll see a cold front move through the region tomorrow with some good chances of rainfall across the region, as well as a slight chance of a thunderstorm for tomorrow evening into the early hours of Thursday morning. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have a good amount of cloud coverage across the region, not just in the low levels, but also in the mid and upper levels. So going to see those cloudy conditions prevailing through the next few days. And taking a look at the radar imagery this morning, you can see we do have that swath of rainfall off to our west, not really giving us anything here. As I mentioned, that very slight chance of a brief sprinkle across the region today. And taking a look at the HRM model for the next 40 hours, you can see a possibility of that sprinkle today into the afternoon hours, but after that, should just see cloudy conditions with patchy fog moving back in the region during the early overnight hours. And we'll see this rainfall move in the region after dawn tomorrow and really move into the area by late morning into the afternoon hours, with the possibility of some heavier rainfall during the evening hours and even an isolated thunderstorm across the area during the late evening into the early overnight hours of Wednesday into Thursday, As we move into our Thursday, should see conditions start to dry out across the region. And take a look at the European model for the next few days here. You can see the rainfall moving through on Wednesday, drier conditions for Thursday, still remaining cloudy in the morning on Thursday, and then becoming mostly to partly cloudy during Thursday afternoon. Then Friday, we're going to have a large upper level trough over the region on Thursday into Friday that's going to keep us seeing more cloud cover across the region. On Friday evening, could see a shower move through as a area low pressure tries to develop well off the coast, and this upper level trough moves through, giving us a possibility of a shower late Friday evening, but not going to see a lot of precipitation as of right now with this system. Then on Saturday, we'll see that upper level trough move off the coast. We'll see better conditions for Saturday into Sunday for the weekend, seeing temperatures near 50 degrees for highs. And then for Sunday into Monday, we're going to see another upper level trough moving into the Great Lakes, and that's going to allow for a possibility of an area low pressure to develop across the southeast states into the Mid-Atlantic. But right now, models are not consistent on what this pattern's going to or how this pattern's going to play out. So I'm keeping the forecast dry right now, but could see some volatility with the forecast as we move into early next week. So taking a look at a risk chart for today, we'll see that 20 to 30% chance of a brief sprinkle this morning, and then seeing some better chances to move after dawn for our Wednesday morning. Seeing those low ceilings today and throughout the next 24 hours, so could seeing those ceilings below 500 feet or visibility below a mile from any time now through Wednesday 8 local. Our high today around 56 degrees. It's been 10 degrees above normal. Our low tonight around 49 to 50 degrees. That's about 20 degrees above normal for the overnight low, so well above normal temperatures for this time of year. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see those low clouds in the region today, and then seeing those low clouds lift tomorrow morning as that warm front moves north of the region. We'll see some slightly warmer conditions tomorrow morning, as well as some rain showers in the area after 8 local on Wednesday. Our tides are running about half to 1 foot above normal currently. And looking at our Wednesday into Thursday, we'll see overcast skies, rain likely by afternoon, slight chance of a thunderstorm by the evening, low clouds likely and slightly breezy as well, out the southeast to south on our Wednesday evening, seeing a high around 59 degrees. For our Wednesday night, rain likely during the evening and early overnight, a slight chance of thunderstorm as well, and then remaining overcast, low clouds likely, a low of 51. And for Thursday, overcast, low clouds in the morning and early afternoon hours, becoming partly mostly cloudy by late afternoon, a high of 57 degrees. So we'll have those red conditions for rain, nearly 100% chance of rain. It looks like we'll see about a half to 1 inch rainfall. Could see some higher spots, isolated spots with any thunderstorms that move through, over an inch rainfall from this event. We'll also see a good chance of low ceilings and visibility when the system moves through on Wednesday and Wednesday night. As far as the thunderstorm chances go, looks like they'll be Wednesday evening into the early overnight hours of Wednesday night and Thursday, as I mentioned, around a 25% chance of seeing a thunderstorm. So for the next 7 days, we'll see that slight chance of a sprinkle this morning into the early afternoon hours, 100% chance of rainfall for our Wednesday, especially once we move into the late morning into the afternoon hours, continuing the evening hours with a high around 59 degrees. Thursday, 57 degrees. We'll see cloudy skies during the morning on Thursday, becoming partly mostly cloudy in the afternoon. And on Friday, we'll see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions across the region. 30% chance of a shower late Friday into Saturday. And for Saturday into Sunday, we'll see temperatures around the upper 40s to lower 50s, and then continuing into Monday with those highs around those upper 40s to lower 50s, overnight lows in the lower 30s. As I mentioned, that forecast on Monday looks pretty uncertain at this time, as another uplevel trough is going to move through the region. Could be seeing some more precipitation moving the region for Monday into Tuesday next week, but right now, not certain of the timing of that or how that pattern will play out. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15, 10 a.m.